Hello my dear students, today's topic is excretory products and their elimination, chapter 19 for class 11. Now the first thing that you need to learn here is the definition of excretion and how it is related to osmoregulation. So what is excretion? Excretion is a process of the removal of nitrogenous waste product and other metabolites from the body of an animal. It is also associated with osmoregulation within the body. Now, both excretion and osmoregulation are very important for the maintenance of homeostasis of the body. That means the internal environment of the body. So, animals excrete ammonia, urea, or uric acid as the major form of nitrogenous waste. So, let us first discuss about the various form of nitrogenous waste excreted by the various animals through the metabolic processes as a byproduct of the metabolic process. So, depending on the nature of the excretory product, the animals exhibit different processes of nitrogenous excretion. They are Ammonotalism, that is the excretion of ammonia as a nitrogenous waste. Then come the Ureotelism, the process of excreting urea as a metabolic waste. And finally, Urecotylism, the process of excreting uric acid as a metabolic waste. Let's discuss about these three types of metabolic wastes. First is Ammonotalism. Ammonotalism is the process of excretion of ammonia as a metabolic waste. Now, ammonia is the most toxic form of nitrogenous waste and it requires large amount of water for its elimination. The organisms that excrete ammonia are called ammonotelic, and this process of elimination of ammonia is called ammonotalism. Ammonotelic animals are bony fishes, aquatic amphibians, and aquatic insects. Ammonia is readily soluble in water and generally excreted by diffusion across the body surface or through gill surfaces in fishes as ammonium ion. So, ammonotalism is found in aquatic animals. Next comes the Ureotelism. This process of excretion of urea by the animals which do not live in high abundance of water, they convert the ammonia produced in the body into urea in the liver and release it into the blood, which is filtered and excreted out as urine by the kidneys. Examples of such animals are mammals, terrestrial amphibians, and marine fishes. Finally, the Urecotylism. The process of excreting the uric acid as a metabolic waste is called urecotylism. Uric acid, being the least toxic nitrogenous waste, can be removed with minimum loss of water from the animal's body. Thus, it is excreted in the form of pellet or paste, that is, in the semi-solid form. Normally, the animals which live in desert, they exhibit urecotylism. Urecotylic animals are reptiles, birds, land snails, and insects. Now here I want to discuss about osmoregulation. What is osmoregulation? It is a regulatory mechanism by which the living organisms maintain the balance of water and different ions within the cell as well as body fluids like lymph and blood. Now water and iron, they are lost by various metabolic processes. Even the external environmental factor lead to the imbalance of water and ions. Water loss through sweat, feces, and during respiration from the lungs cannot be regulated. In contrast, renal excretion of water is regulated to maintain water balance in the body. So, our body has well-developed mechanism to maintain the osmotic concentration of the body fluid. The water intake must precisely match the water loss from the body. When the water intake is low or water loss is high, the kidneys conserve the water by the process of less urine production. The urine becomes hyperosmotic with respect to the plasma. When the water intake is high, a large volume of hypoosmotic urine is produced. In a normal individual, osmolarity of the urine may vary from approximately 50 to 1200 milliosmol of water. The corresponding urine volume may vary from much as 18 liter per day as less as 0.5 liter per day. Now here comes one very important term that is called osmoconformers. What are these osmoconformers? The organisms in which the osmotic concentration of the body fluid is same as that of the fluid in the external environment are called osmoconformers. Such examples of organisms are starfish, jellyfish, sharks, mussels, etc. So, my dear students, it was all about the excretion and osmoregulation. In the next video, I will discuss about the structure of the kidney, the morphological and anatomical structure of kidney thereafter. Thanks for watching.